This video shows you how to use FastMaint Professional to send and receive email or text messages. This can be used to send and receive maintenance work requests from non-FastMaint users, as well as send work orders and receive updates from maintenance personnel. On the Administration menu in the main screen, click on Settings. On the main tab in the Settings screen, check off Daily when program starts. Email pending work orders and reminders. To email pending work orders to associated people. You can optionally set the number of days after which a reminder is sent to the maintenance technicians if the work order is not closed by then. In the Request tab, check off Allow work requests to be submitted by email. This will allow non-FastMaint users to send email or text messages to the default email address specified in the Email tab. You can optionally enter a word or phrase that such messages must contain in the message subject for it to be considered a work request. Click on the Email tab and enter email account information for an email account to be used exclusively by FastMaint. If your email server requires an encrypted connection over SSL, most email systems use port 995 for the secure POP3 port and 465 for the secure SMTP port. If you're not sure what to use, check with your email system administrator. If you run into problems sending or receiving email, you can get to our website support section and search the support knowledge base using the keyword email for troubleshooting hints. Save your changes. Now, every time FastMaint Professional is first started for the day, it will check for pending work orders and email them out as needed. You will need to regularly, meaning every day or every few hours, receive and process emails sent to FastMaint. To do this, click on the Email button in the main screen. In the Process Email screen, first click on Receive to receive any email. Then click on Process to process any email sent. Say work order updates or work requests. Some of these messages may be errors. For example, a bounce message because a technician's email address was incorrectly entered in the system, or a work order number was not found because it got cut off when the person replied. Double-click on an email error to open it and make changes as needed. Then click on Process to process all the errors you fixed. If you go to the main screen and click on Work Orders, you can review the work orders that have been updated. To see submitted work requests, click on Requests or Breakdown in the main screen. Select Process Maintenance Work Requests Received Via and click Next to review the work requests that have been received. You can open a work request and email the requester if you need more clarification. Their response will be picked up when you run Process Email and used to update the work request comments.